In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mermaid Chart. In order to do that, head over to mermaidchat.com and then you can start for free using your email or continue with GitHub or Google. On my case, I'll head over and continue with Google. So we've already signed in using my account. I just need to answer in here this onboarding. Let's choose in here this and just answer this however you would want as well. So let's head over and click on next. Enter in here your conversation or your organization name. Click in here your company size, or you can also skip it for now. And then from in there, just test in here what you want to actually do. So it will give you in here their plan. Let's try it for free for now. Now in order to use this, you just need to head over and choose in here what you want to do. You can create new chat, new diagram, new presentation. For this case, for example, let's choose in here this new diagram. And in here, we can see some options like flowchart, class, and sequence. For example, on my case, let's choose in here flowchart. And in here, you can actually code in order to change the things right here. Or you can also unenable it, and you can see that you won't be able to change it. So in here, in order to use Mermaid Chat, you need to be knowledgeable for coding. But if you're not, you can also use AI in order to change up some things. Like for example, let's choose in here this flowchart for making a pizza. You also add emojis and it will give you all of these things. This will be the overview for that, and you can see in here what it will look like. So as you can see, using the power of AI, you can create diagrams for the actual Mermaid Chat. So that's how you use Mermaid Chart. I hope this video helped you out.